Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Good Life Tirzepatide, a product marketed for weight management inspired by GLP-1 medications. We tested it to see if it's actually good or just clever marketing. Tirzepatide is known in medical settings as a GLP-1 agonist for blood sugar control and weight management. But what Good Life is selling is a supplement that claims to mimic or support GLP-1 pathways. During our trial, we noticed mild appetite suppression, less frequent snacking, and slightly better portion control. However, the effects were nowhere near as strong as prescription GLP-1 medications. The biggest issue is that supplement versions cannot truly replicate pharmaceutical results. The pros are that it may help reduce cravings, support digestion, and can be a helpful tool alongside diet and exercise. The cons are that it's expensive. The results are mild compared to the hype, and it may cause some bloating or discomfort at first. Overall, Good Life Tirzepatide is more of a supportive supplement than a magic solution. It's not a scam, but it's definitely not a replacement for medical GLP-1 treatments. Manage expectations before buying. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.